This 2020 KZ Sportsman 260BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used KZ is 28 feet 11 inches in length and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2020 KZ Sportsman 260BH is 4,800 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.